Today, I'll walk you through how to open a PDF in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to insert a PDF into your OneNote notebook so you can easily annotate and organize your documents. Let's get started. First, open OneNote and navigate to the notebook where you want to add your PDF. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Once you're in your desired notebook, look for the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Click on it and you'll see several options. Here, you want to select File Printout. This option allows you to insert the PDF as images directly into your notes. Now, a File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the local folder where your PDF is stored. Once you found your PDF, click on it to select it, and then click Insert to quantitate. After a moment, you'll see that your PDF has been added to your notebook as images. This means you can now annotate directly on the pages just like you would with a physical document. If you prefer a different method, you can also attach the PDF to your notebook instead of inserting it as images. To do this, go back to the Insert tab and select File Attachment. Again, navigate to the folder where your PDF is located, select it, and click Open. This will attach the PDF to your notebook, allowing you to access it easily whenever you need it. You can double-click the attached file to open it in your default PDF viewer. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to open a PDF in OneNote using both the insert and attachment methods. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.